What's up guys, it's me, Riley here, and today I'm going to be doing a fidget haul of all my fidgets. So, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications and give me a huge thumbs up. So, let's get started. This is my fidget collection, and let's start with this yellow marble and mesh. I used to have a lot of marble and meshes, but now I just have two. But my favorite out of both of them would have to be this blue and white one, because it's so cool and it feels so amazing. Next, let's look at this mini poppet. It isn't good. It isn't a good mini poppet. When you pop up the bubble that pops up. So I don't even know why I still have that. Next is this supposed to be glow in the dark squishy ball. But it's not glow in the dark. Because if you look in here, it kind of glows in the dark, but it doesn't fully glow in the dark. Okay, so next I'm going to be showing this Wubble Bubbles cat squishy. It's really cute. It's from Target. And it's very squishy. And I like it. To give this a rating out of 10, I'd give it a 9.5. Next, I have these Gigundo pop tubes. Let me show you. There's green, blue, another green, and red. As you can see, they're covering all my fidgets. Next is this cute popsicle poppet that is really good. But if I would rate it out of 10, I'd give it an 8.5 since I really do not like the bad side of this. It seems kind of loud, but I don't like it. Moving on into this white poppet. This white poppet, it's really cute. It has a really good side. I really like it. I give it a 10 out of 10 because I love it. Next is this blue circle poppet. It isn't that good. I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. Next up, we have my Among Us poppet. It's nice ASMR, though. I'd give the bad side about a 4. I'd give the good side an 8. Next, I have this teal poppet. It's kind of like the blue one in the blue circle. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Next is one of my favorites, my Mickey poppet, ASMR. Next, we have this cute rainbow poppet. And next up we have this ice cream squishy. It's very cool. It's very slow rising. Next up we have this ball my friend gave me. And next we have this unicorn puppet. And the second to last puppet I have is this square blue one. I mean third to last. Next up we have this teal puppet, square puppet. And this amazing blue puppet. It has pretty good ASMR. Next, we have this green snake that I got from a fidget pack. Next up, we have this thingamajig thing that my friend got from her friend. And next I have this bear mochi, this chick mochi, and this cute cat mochi named Chloe. That's basically the only one I know. Next is this mini pop tube. It's pretty cute. Next is this broken narwhal squishy. It's not that good. Next are all these acupressure rings. Next is this cute panda squishy. And I have 2 pea poppers. And next I have this peanut popper. Next up I have this not good DIY simple dimple. And next is this slider that I made that's DIY. Next is this cute pug squishy. And that's all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the post notification and give this a huge thumbs up. See you guys in the next one. Bye!